Hi, back again for part 2 of the rebuild of the International Scout 1965 T90A-1 transmission. I'm working on the support brackets for the transmission right now. I'm cleaning the transmission, and while it's drying, I'm going to dismantle and reassemble these worn cushions with the hard black polyurethane ones that I purchased. Hopefully they'll work. No idea. Read very little about them, but once I come back again, I'll have it all assembled and cleaned up and looking pretty good for you. Till then. Hi, back again. After attaching both of the insulator mountings, I'm going to just attach the main section of the transmission mount. It's very simple, straightforward. Just attaches on. You put the 2 head screws on to it, which are lock screws. I'll go ahead and tighten all of these down later. Next time you'll see this, it will be inside the Scout, mounted to the cross member. Just